already know I ain't no punk. If you are here, you are seeing part 2 of Dora's adventure on which box should she review. So the second go around is on another Nadula unit. So let's go ahead and hop into it. That was corny, but
standing here looking out my window. Nights are long and my days are cold, cause I don't have you. How can I be so damn demanding? I know you said that it's over now, but I can't let it go. Every day I wanna pick up the phone and tell you that you're everything I need and more. If only I could find you. I could go somewhere after you. I saw you pass me. A rearview mirror's playing tricks on me, cause you fade away. Maybe I'm just hallucinating, cause my loneliness got the best of me and my heart's so weak. Every day I wanna pick up the phone and tell you everything I need and more. If only I could find you. Alright now. I'm missing you. I'm missing you. Like a cold summer afternoon. Cold summer day. Snow coming down in June. Like a wedding without a groom. I'm missing you, baby.
alright, listen, hear me out. Hear me out. Picture it. Chicago. Middle of winter. Snow on the ground. Maybe a couple of inches. Like maybe 6. Everything's freezing over. Okay? But we decide we gonna take a jump in the neighbor's pool. And that's what this feels like. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. So big thank you to Nadula Hair for sending out this unit. This is their 13x4 lace frontal unit. It is a perfect ash blonde highlight human hair wig, of course, with baby hair. They do claim that this is an upgraded sis bouncy body wave unit. Now I am sporting the 24 inches and whoo baby, this is tax time hair. Okay, we do all price points on this channel, so yeah, slay accordingly. So let's talk about this color first and foremost. Now on the website it does look drastically different from what I have. I will go into that in a minute. As I mentioned, this is a 13x4 unit and the knots were pretty small on here. You really don't need to take that extra leap, that extra slay step and bleach the knots. However, your girl wanted some scalpation up in this dancery. Left it on for about maybe 45, 50, maybe an hour. Left it, let it marinate, you know, and I came back and the knots really took to the bleach. Baby, scalpation in this dancery. I did follow up with the Shimmering Lights shampoo, so that is how I toned this unit to drastically change the color. It did have a brassy yellow blonde to it, and I wanted something a little bit more warmer, a little bit more golden, a little bit more suitable for me. I did leave that on for maybe like, what? Girl. Okay, yeah, it was about an hour and a half. I left it on for about an hour and a half. Let it soak, let it marinate, and bam. I really was not expecting this color outcome. For whatever reason, it didn't all the way take down here. So, you know, it's a little bit more on the brown, a little tint of brassy, but I think it blends really good. This is kind of giving me like a reverse ombre. And as far as the color is concerned, I think, baby, this ash blonde is popping. This ash blonde is the brown girl friendly ash blonde that you have been trying to find. However, baby, I think the blend could have been a little bit better. You know, it is giving me chunky highlights over here. I would have preferred it blended just with the brown just a little bit better. You know, maybe a piano effect. And this is really kind of giving me chunky highlight effect. I did want to put this a little bit of footage in before I close out, so I do brush out the units before I put them back in the box. And I did love the curls on this unit. However, it was falling a little flat only because I couldn't brush them out. As you can see, the curls like immediately fell. So I do think it has a very thick density when it's straight. However, baby, if you put curls in here, it is going to give you more of a natural density. And guess what? Bonus, baby. If you can guess the song that I am singing, I will give you the wig. The first person to comment the name of the song gets the wig. Simple rules. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel. So get the clickety clicking, sis. And of course, this is part 2 of Dora. Which box will you do? I can consistently say with the 2 units that I have reviewed recently, the ear tabs pretty much fall into place. And you do not have a lot of stinginess on the sides. They weren't selfish with the lace. So I feel like I got really good coverage. If you don't have any edges, if you don't got no sideburns, sis, guess what? You ain't got a finesse, boo. It's all in the wig. You good. And I swear for baby black Jesus, I don't know why this side just always wants to tap on my last good nerve. You know, I think the curls held up really good. This is 24 hours later, so I left the pin curls in so they could marinate once again. And then I took them out, you know, right before I came on camera. They fell a little bit, okay, and I did recurl the front here. This side, you know, she's got her nice little wave, baby. Ride that wave, okay? And this one's just, she's on a bumpy road to hell. Okay, Nadula. Okay. Nadula? Is it Nadula, Nadula, or Nadula? Either way, baby, yeah. She cute. If you're interested in checking out the information for this unit, I will have a direct link in the description box down below. Big thank you to Nadula Hair, or Nadula, for sending out this blonde beauty. Most importantly, big thank you, big hug to all of you for tuning in. I definitely appreciate it. It warms my heart to see you ladies in the comments, and for all of the support that you give me on this channel. So stay tuned for the YouTube shout outs. Keep yourself first. Keep loving on yourself. Hit that subscribe button before you drop your girl a comment down below. As always, keep wearing it with confidence. And I'll talk to you all in the next one.